Disclaimers. Welcome to our channel World's Every Country. I am your Sam. This channel talks about the facts of world's every country. In this video we are going to see about the interesting facts of the country Jamaica. Jamaica's capital is Kingston. The Jamaican flag has two green and two black triangles separated by yellow diagonal cross. Jamaica's total area is 10,991 square kilometers. Estimated population of the country is 2.9 million people. Major religion is Roman Catholic Christians. Major language is English. Jamaican dollar is the country's official currency. US recognition of Jamaican independence on August 6, 1962. National bird is swallowtail hummingbird. Flower of the Legma Vita. Tree blue mambo. Fruits ackee. Jamaica is an island nation located in the West Indies of Caribbean. Blue Mountain Peak is the tallest mountain at 2,256 meter height. Rio Mingo River is the longest river, 92.8 km long. The tallest building in Jamaica is Le Méridien, Jamaica, stand in the height of 200 feet. Jamaica was first sighted by European in 1494 by Christopher Columbus during his second voyage to the West Indies. Jamaica colonized by Spain and Britain, so both countries shipped thousands of slaves to Jamaica from Africa. The legendary musician Bob Marley was from Jamaica. Marley is largely credited with popularized reggae music, becoming a global superstar. Legend, the best of Bob Marley and the Wailers, with sales of over 10 million in the US alone, is the biggest selling reggae album of all time. The world's fastest sprinter Usain Bolt is from Jamaica. Usain Bolt is the fastest man alive. Jamaica has the world's second highest murder rate. Jamaica has one of the world's highest level of press freedom. Jamaica was the first Caribbean country to enter Winter Olympics 1988 Games at Canada. The largest and the smallest butterflies in the world are found in Jamaica. Jamaica produces Blue Mountain coffee and it is one of the rarest coffee across the globe. Jamaica was the first Caribbean country to launch a website. Jamaica is home to over 200 species of orchid. Kingston Harbour of Jamaica is the 7th largest natural harbour across the globe. The national dish of Jamaica is ackee and saltfish. The Jamaica Railway, constructed in 1845, was the first line open to traffic outside Europe and North America. The writer of James Bond built his dream house in Jamaica known as Golden Eye. Jamaica is home to about 289 species of birds. There are 3 international airports in Jamaica. Thanks for watching this video. To show your love, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell button.